Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths online classes. We are in chapter number 4, fractions, addition and subtraction. Today, our topic of discussion is simplification of fractions. And you have already learned to add and subtract two fractions. Now, let's learn to add and subtract more than two fractions together. Fine? So you have to remember one thing, we simplify fractions in the same way as we simplify any other numbers. Okay, let's start. Come to exercise 4.5, question number 1, that is simplify the like fractions. I am solving A part first. यहाँ पे देखिए हमारे पास 3 fractions हैं जिन्हें हमें ऐड करना है. ये तीनों कैसे फ्रैक्शन है? ये तीनों like fraction है because all the three are having same denominator, that is 9. So हम इसको कैसे ऐड करेंगे? See here, we simply add the numerators and write the denominator as it is because all are having the same denominator. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 9. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7 upon 9. Fine? Come to B part. Here also we are having 3 fractions, 3 like fractions, that is 8 upon 11, 3 upon 11 and 5 upon 11. यहाँ पे देखिए हमें 8 upon 11 minus 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 करना है. So because these three are like fraction, so what you have to do? You have to calculate the numerator like this, 8 minus 3 plus 5. And you have to write down the denominator as it is, that is divided by 11. And you all know how we can solve 8 minus 3 plus 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So the answer is 10 upon 11. Fine? Adding and subtracting like fraction is always easy. Why? Because you just have to calculate the numerator part and you have to write the denominator as it is. Come to question number 2. Simplify the following fractions. And the A part is 3 2 upon 5 plus 2 1 upon 3 plus 1 3 upon 5. Here we are having 3 mixed fraction to be added. So what is your first step? First you have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So please look at the blackboard very carefully. 3 2 upon 5. Denominator will remain same as 5. And for the numerator, what you have to do? You have to multiply whole number and denominator. Then you have to add the numerator part. So 5 3s is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. What is this second mixed fraction? 3 in the denominator like this. And in the numerator, 3 2s is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I am writing 7. Fine. Come to third mixed fraction, that is 1 3 upon 5. So you have to write the denominator as it is like this, 5. And for the numerator, you have to calculate. 5 1s is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I am writing 8 by 5. Now we have converted all the mixed fraction to improper fraction. And the fractions are 17 upon 5 plus 7 upon 3 plus 8 upon 5. Here we cannot add the numerators directly because यहाँ पे तीनों के पास same denominator नहीं है, ये तीनों like fraction नहीं है. So for this we have to calculate the LCM of the denominator and we have to make all the denominators equal to the LCM. So LCM calculate करिए 5, 3 and 5 का. 5 से लेते हैं, 5 1s is 5, 3 will remain as it is. Now 5 1s is 5. Take 3, so 3 1s is 3. So the LCM is product of these factors, that is 5 3s is 15. We are having LCM equal to 15. I am writing here. LCM is equals to 15. Now what you have to do? You have to make all the denominators equal to 15. So see here. 17 upon 5, 7 upon 3 and 8 upon 5. Okay? So what must be multiplied to 5 so that the denominator will become 15? 5 3s is 15. So you have to multiply 3 in the numerator also. So 17 3s is 51. Okay. Now come to second fractions, that is 7 upon 3. Here also you have to make the denominator is equals to 15. So what must be multiplied to 3 so that the denominator will become 15? 3 5 is 15. So we have to multiply 5 in the numerator also. So 7 into 5 is 35. Okay. Now come to h upon 5. What must be multiplied to 5 so that the denominator will become 15? 5 3 is 15. So you have to multiply 3 in the numerator also. So 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Okay. Now we have to add this 3 like fraction, that is 51 upon 15 plus 35 upon 15 plus 24 upon 15. So we have converted all this fraction to like fractions. All are having the same denominator 15. Now it is very easy to add. कैसे करेंगे? You just have to add the numerators directly like this. 51 plus 35 plus 24. And you have to write down the denominator as it is 15 because all are having the same denominator 15. So what is 51 plus 35 plus 24? It is 110 and divided by 15. See here, both 110 and 15 are divisible by 5. So please divide it by 5. 5 22s is 110 and 5 3s is 15. So it is 22 upon 3. Now see here numerator is greater than denominator. So you have to change this improper fraction to mixed fraction also. Mixed fraction में कैसे convert करेंगे? 7 3s is 21. So how much you have to add more? 1. So the final answer is 7 1 upon 3. Come to D part. Here we have to do 6 minus 1 7 upon 8 minus 2 5 by 6. So our first step is to make this whole number a fraction. So I am writing 6 by 1. Okay. Now you have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. See, minus denominator will remain same, that is 8. And in the numerator 8 ones is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I am writing 15 here. Okay. Again minus. Now you have to convert this mixed fraction also. So denominator it is 6 and in the numerator you have to calculate. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So you have to write 17 upon 6. Okay. Now what you have to do? 6 by 1 minus 15 by 8 minus 17 by 6. अब देखिए ये तीनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है, ये लाइक फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, तो आपको एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा डिनोमिनेटर्स का टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम. सो देखिए मैं एलसीएम ले रही हूँ 1 8 and 6 का. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Again with 2. 2 2 is 4, 3 will remain same. Again with 2, 2 1 is 2, 3 will remain same. Now 3 1 is 3. So the LCM is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So here the LCM is 24. Okay. Here the LCM is 24. Now what you have to do? You have to make all the denominators equal to 24. Please see here 6 by 1. Next is 15 upon 8. And the third fraction is 17 upon 6. Okay. So what must be multiplied to 1 so that the denominator will become 24? You have to multiply 24 here. So you have to multiply the same number in the numerator also. So 6 into 24 is 144. Okay. Come to second fraction, that is 15 upon 8. So what must be multiplied to 8 so that the denominator will become 24? 8 3 is 24. So we have to multiply 3 in the numerator also. So 15 3 is 45. Okay. Now come to 17 upon 6. What must be multiplied to 6 so that the denominator will become 24? 6 4 is 24. So you have to multiply the same number in the numerator also. 17 into 4 is 68. Okay. So see, we have converted all these fraction to like fraction. All are having the same denominator 24. अब आप कैसे करेंगे देखिए. 6 by 1 is actually 144 upon 24 minus 15 upon 8 is actually 45 upon 24. Again minus 17 upon 6 is equal to 68 upon 24. Now we are having 3 like fraction. Okay. So calculate the numerator and write down the denominator as it is. 144 minus 45 minus 68 divided by 24. So calculate करिए 144 minus 45 is 99. So write down 99 minus 68 upon 24. Okay. 99 minus 68 is 31. So write down 31 upon 24. Okay. Here the numerator is greater. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में कैसे करेंगे देखिए. Denominator को 24 ही रखेंगे. 24 ones is 24. And how much to be added? 7. So 7 in the numerator. So the answer is 17 upon 24. Okay. Thank you.